What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Johnny Trades here, back with another recap, and days like today are what keep me coming back to the market. Days like today are the reason why I love trading so much. Now I'm gonna dive into my computer. We're gonna go over the trade I took, and man, did we miss out on a huge move to the upside. We locked in profits, we made money, but dang, it could have been a heck of a lot more. We're talking a $200 day today, and I did not do a great job by being patient and riding it to the top. So let's go ahead and get into the computer. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. All that I ask is that you smash that like button for me and consider subscribing to the channel if you find this video helpful or useful in some kind of way. So let's go ahead and dive into the computer. And guys, what a trade. What a trade. We did happen to lock in 2% profit here, and I could show that on my phone. Right here, we'll go to WEBULL. That way you can see the actual 2% gain and P&L symbol. We're going to go to custom, and we're going to go to today. Boom. So $40.40. As you can see, I guess I could show it like this. $40.40. You can see, I could reset it. It shows the date right there as well. Today is the 6th. So we made $40.40. Now, why did I sell so soon? Why did I sell so soon, guys? Everything was lining up in my favor. I bought 134 shares of this company, 50 at $14.45, another 50 shares at $14.45, another 34 shares at $14.14. I did end up buying the dip on this company. It pushed up and I locked in $40. At one point I was up 50 bucks and I was like, you know what, let's just lock in the profits. If it gets rejected right here, then we can actually begin to not only break even, but we could actually begin to lose money. Now I was down about $40 at the open. So right when the stock market opened at 7:30, I was down 40, pushed up to break even because my average share price was $14.37. So we'll go ahead and draw that line right here, $14.37, and broke even, pushed up even more, and that was an $80 swing from lows of being down 40 to being up 40. So I was like, you know what, let's just go ahead and lock in those profits. So I sold 100 shares at $14.71, sold the other 33 at $14.56 right on this dip here, and then I sold my last share at $14.81. Now guys, it pushed all the way up to what is now $16. It pushed up to highs of $16.29. And look at this move. I mean, this was an insane move. We go to the 5-minute chart here. You can see it pushed up incredibly and sadly missed out on over $2 per share, 13.55%. $2 per share on 135 shares, guys. Okay, this is why I love simple math. Times 1.95, $263 today is what we could have made by simply holding a trade that we were in. We could have made an additional $223 on top of the 40 bucks. A $200 day is right in sight. I am within reach of that much money per day on a small account. Now I am trading with $2,000 at the beginning of this year, 2026. A couple of years ago in 2024, I started a $500 challenge to see if I can grow it as much as I could, and I grew it to $6,000. It's incredible. I grew that account from 500 bucks to $6,000. At the end of the year, I pulled that money out and I was able to reset my account back to $500. Now, last year, we didn't make as much as I wanted to make, but we were able to grow that account from $500 to just shy of $10,000. Yes, you heard me correct. Now, this year, what we're doing is we're starting with $2,000. Okay, we're going to start with a little bit more money because I did show that yes, you can grow a small account with 500 bucks, but it took forever. It took forever, guys, to cross over 1,000, and then to cross over 2, and then to cross over 5. So with this plan, we're going to take $2,000 to start the year, and we are going to grow the account exponentially. Okay, and this is where I want to show you a good point. Now we're going to bring up my graph here. We'll go ahead and share the screen. Beautiful background of Miami, Florida. We'll be living in one of those one day. And I have a simple growth calculator. Now, this is available to all my Discord members in our Discord. It is 100% free to join the Discord. First link in the description if you want to join. That's where you're going to watch me trade live every single morning. And this is where you can get this free growth calculator. Okay, so there is a link in the Discord under, what is it, free resources, I believe. We can go ahead and showcase that here. Let's go to the Discord. Learn to earn. You're going to come down to freebies. Okay, freebies right here. And these are all of our new members. Freebies. And you're going to find the growth calculator right here. It is a Google document, so you'll be able to access this through your Google account. I know sometimes if you were to use, like, say, Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, some people don't have that because you have to pay for it. So you could just get into the document right here. This is a target profit per day calculator. Oh, that's actually the target profit per day calculator. Okay, so that's another great tool you can use. This is where if you have $100 and you want to make 3%, this shows you how much money you would need in the account. Let me go ahead and share this one as well. We are going to go here and share with others, and we're going to copy the link, and then we're going to put that here for you guys to be able to use on your own time. We're going to call it the growth calculator. And I made a video on the other one, on the target profit per day calculator, if you guys want to have that one as well. But yeah, this is free and you're able to use it and customize it. Do me a favor and just like make a copy, go to File, make a copy, and you can make a copy of this. But the point is, this is a free resource that you are able to use here. It's a great tool that you can use. And we're going to go over that right now because not only are we doing a trade recap, but I also want to showcase to you guys the benefits of using this growth calculator and how you can follow along. It is the beginning of the year. We are in a brand new year, and I would love for you guys to be able to use this to your advantage. So here we go. So there we go. There you can use that if you want to. You just have to join. Now the growth calculator is simple to understand and simple to use. So let's see, if we were to take this over here, let's blow this up a little bit. Let's go like maybe what, 12? Let's go 14. That way you guys can see it a little bit better. We're going to bring this over here because that's important. All right, so principal, $2,000. Average growth per month is 40%. Now you might think that is a lot, but my goal is to make 2% a day, okay? I want to make 2% a day. Now am I going to make 2% every single day? No, but I did a great job by making 2% today, and usually I'll save my last one share so you can see the percentage on the day, but luckily I screenshot it for you guys to be able to see, which was right here. And we'll blow that up. So I had one share left, $40.23, so just a little bit shy of where it is now, 2.09%. I wanted to show you guys the proof there. The day, a couple days before that, we made another 2.67%, which was $43. And just a little bit of time before that, we were up, let's see, what's this one? 1.54% or $49. Okay, and there's actually more like 3% that day, but for some reason I took a second position and it didn't actually calculate it correctly. 3% at $40. And and I should have another one here. $30 at 2%. Okay, so 2% can add up very quickly. And when you're making 2% a day, what does that compound into, guys? That compounds into 10% a week. Now, there is 5 trading days usually, right? There's usually 5 trading days. And we're right here. Usually 5 trading days. Sometimes there's a holiday, so the markets will be closed. Maybe one day you break even. Maybe one day you take a 1% loss. Okay, but more than anything, there should have 20 trading days a month, making about 40% is what my target goal is. So that means for January, I should be on track to make $800 in January, which means my account will be around $2,800. So this will be the amount of profits. So we can go profits. As you can see, I'm still kind of making this. And then you have total account size. Okay, total account size. Just like that. So with that said, we are now able to, let's bold this and let's underline it. Where's my underline? Where's my underline? I don't know where my underline button is. Well, I'll just do this. And we'll do border right there. Okay, so we could spread this out a little bit. There we go. That looks good. Perfect. So with that said, I'll make $800 in profit in January, okay, which would bring my account size to $2,800. And then to make another 40% on top of that, we would actually make around, I guess it's a little bit more than $1,600 because now we're just compounding this plus the $800. So this would be roughly a little bit more, but this gives you a rough estimate of how much you can make every single month. So by, let's say, December at the end of this year, we'll likely be making around $10,000 a month as long as we stick to our 2% goal. Now it is a little bit skewed now that I notice this. So like for a total account size of $10,000, May should bring us closer to, no, that is actually accurate, should be around $4,000. $54,000 account or 55,000. If we were to calculate that, 55,000 times 0.4, we should be looking at around 22,000. So I have to mess with it a little bit more, but this gives you a rough draft of something that you can use on a daily basis to keep track. Now you could do weekly, you could do monthly, you could do yearly. Maybe you want to make only 10% a month. And there you go. So now you're making 10% a month, which would be around 0.05% a trade, right? Because now you're only trying to make 2.5% a week, 5% every 2 weeks. And this is a great way to be able to do that. So say you're starting with $2,000, you want to make 10% in your first month, then you would need to make $200 in the month of January. And I love this because it shows you your total account size growing and your profits growing over time as well. Now, this can be a great tool to use. 0.5% is a great goal to have if you're just starting out. And $200 isn't bad. That means you're making about $50 a week, which is about $10 every day. Now guys, $10 a day may not sound like a lot to you, but when you're first starting out, you want to make sure that one, you're not losing more money than you can afford to lose, and two, you're growing your account. A lot of times beginners will get in and they'll actually lose money, they'll get discouraged, and then they'll give up. What you want to do is make sure you have a great risk to reward. You want to risk about 1% to make about 2%. So on a bad day, the most you could lose is 1%. Well, how much is 1% on a small $2,000 account? Well, let's just look. 1% of $2,000 is 20 bucks. So the most you can lose is $20. The most you can make, say for example on a 2% trade, is $40. Okay? Now that's what you're aiming for. 1 to 2s, 1 to 2s, 1 to 2s. And when you're able to build up that track record, potentially make 2% a day, which results in around 40% a month. Now, I did give myself a 1.5% growth per day because there's not every day is going to be a winner. There's going to be some break even days, and there's also going to be days where you might not even be able to trade. So 30% a month is still really good. That's $600 in January that we need to make. So it's a great tool. If you guys want to use it, definitely check it out. Now, what's great about this is MSTZ went up 11% today. 11% from lows of 14 to highs of 16. That was actually a 16% profit. So in one single trade, you can potentially make an entire week or even 2 weeks worth of profit. If I'm aiming for 30% for an entire month, that's 20 trading days, and I can make half of it in a single day. That is beyond amazing. And that is why I love showing up to the market every single day, because there's going to be days where you make 1%, you make 2%. There's going to be days where you make 5% or 10%. And some days like today, you can easily make 16 to 20% profit in a single day. So I hope this was useful. I hope you found some value in it. Consider subscribing to the channel, and let's keep growing not only our accounts, but also our skills when it comes to trading. Let's become a more consistently profitable trader by using the tools available to us. I have a ton of free resources in the Discord. When you join, it is 100% free, lifetime access. There is our Discord community where you can get involved with like-minded individuals. We're very close to 1,000 members. So that's 1,000 people that you can connect with that all want to trade, who want to learn and want to grow their account this year and many years to come. We also have a Learn to Earn lesson library, which is available to you to use. There's about, I think, about 12 videos. It's less than 2 hours of watch time, and I take you from knowing nothing about stocks to getting an education on moving averages, on support and resistance levels, range trading, how to set up your WEBULL account, how to start paper trading if you don't want to use real money, all the way to the very last video showing me and giving you an example of what I do every single day with our Discord team, which is trading live at market open. And in that video, I lock in over $220, which is about 10% in a single 1 hour day trading session. Imagine being able to make $200 in 1 hour when sometimes it might take you an entire day of working for somebody else. Sometimes it could take you an entire week either working for yourself or working for someone else in a traditional job. Especially when I remember making $8 an hour, it would take almost an entire week to make $200. That's almost 30 to 40 hours of work, and we did it in 1 hour trading. And that's all available to you. You also get me 24/7 if you have any questions, if you have any comments, concerns, if you want to know more about my trading style, or you need some help identifying some potential opportunities in the market, or you just want to say hello. That's all available in the Discord. First link in the description below, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Join today, and you can watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow morning. So thank you for your time. Like always, remember, let's end the year on a green note. Have a great day, guys.